Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen McColgan. I'm Vivera's Chief Medical Officer. I'm here to speak to you about our rapid antibody test. This is specific for COVID-19. It gives you results in 20 minutes. We're going to unpack. We have a lancet and a buffer solution. And we have, this is the rapid test kit. And we have instruction sheets and patient information sheets. So I'm going to unpack the lancet pouch here. So this pouch contains the lancet, which draws the blood, and it's sterile at the tip. And this is the buffer solution here. And this is the test kit. So your first thing you do, open the kit. The kit has the test strip in it here, along with the pipette. This is a tray you put the blood in. This is where the antibodies show up. So now we're going to use the lancet to make a little blood draw for just a small portion. Now we have the blood. You wipe the alcohol on the space. There you go. Move your hand. And now this is the buffer agent.